What if you could create professional presentations, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, and marketing graphics in just a few minutes using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Miricanvas in 2026, walk through its main features, and help you decide whether this AI-powered design platform is worth your time. Miricanvas is an online design tool that combines a drag-and-drop editor with AI features to help users create visual content faster. It's designed for people who want professional-looking designs without spending hours learning complicated software. To get started, simply visit the website, create an account, and access the dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see a wide range of templates for presentations, social media content, posters, flyers, business materials, and more. For this demo, let's create a presentation. You can either start with a blank project, choose a template, or use the AI presentation feature. Simply enter a topic such as digital marketing trends, education technology, or business growth strategies, and the AI generates a presentation outline along with slide designs and suggested content. This can save a huge amount of time compared to building slides manually from scratch. One of the best things about Miricanvas is its template library. You can quickly customize colors, fonts, images, and layouts using the drag-and-drop editor. The platform also includes AI image generation tools that can create visuals from text prompts, which is useful when you need unique graphics for presentations or social media content. Another popular feature is background removal, allowing you to remove image backgrounds with just a few clicks. There are also AI writing tools that help generate text for presentations, advertisements, and marketing content. Looking at user feedback, many people like how beginner-friendly the platform feels. Users often mention that they can create attractive designs very quickly without having prior design experience. The large collection of templates is another feature that receives positive feedback because it reduces the amount of work needed to start a project. However, there are some limitations. Like most AI design tools, the generated content is not always perfect. Some projects still require editing and customization before they are ready to publish. Another downside is that Miricanvas has a smaller global user community compared to some larger competitors, so finding tutorials and third-party guides can sometimes be more difficult. Despite that, most users seem satisfied with the overall balance between simplicity and functionality. After exploring the platform and reviewing user opinions, my honest opinion is that Miricanvas is one of the easiest AI design tools to learn in 2026. It may not completely replace professional design software for advanced users, but for students, teachers, marketers, business owners, and content creators, it offers an impressive combination of templates, AI tools, and ease of use. If your goal is to create presentations and visual content faster, Miricanvas is definitely worth trying. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me which AI tool you want to see reviewed next.